guys, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial we'll discuss how we can add not right click on WordPress images. Okay, so this is our WordPress website and here you can see the images, and we can right click to see the images or something like this. And now we are going to disable this once you right click. So we are going to totally turn off our right click system. No right click should be available on the WordPress images. Okay, so how we can get it done? So in that case, just go to the plugin first and just click on add new, and then go to the search bar, type no right click images. Okay, so this is the plugin you can use. So just install now, disable right click images. Okay, and activate. So once it's activated, no need to configure this plugin. Actually it will work automatically. So just go to the website and reload this tab, and then once you try to right click, now I'm going to right click here but I'm unable to do that. Same for here, same for here. Okay, so wherever the images, it should be totally turn off for right click on the images. So this is something we can easily use to not to add right click on the images on our WordPress website. This is very easy to get it done. Thank you.